Hello. So the question of the day is how to earn money the easy way. How do you do that? Well, I have two words for you. The first one is wait. Wait. And the second word is let's play the interest rate game. Let me explain. First thing you need to do is you need to take advantage of the market. Right? Easy. Why is it easy? Well, because the market is going nowhere right now. And I will tell you, if you look at my previous videos, that the market is about to go south. Why? Many reasons. First, we've got issues with interest rates that are keep going up. Second, inflation is not under control, and especially with what's going on with oil recently, it's going to put upward pressure on inflation, which is going to force the Fed to keep hiking rates. And of course, it's going to put pressure on earnings, which is going to send earnings down. And with rates going up, stocks are going to go down. Guaranteed. On top of that, you've got this huge amount of money being pumped by the Fed in the market. They've been doing it for a while. They've been doing it since 2008. To save us from Armageddon. And then they did it again in 2020. And now in March, they just pumped up another 350 billion. You may not know it, you may not realize it. Check my video on it. The point is, the market is going to collapse. So the easy way is wait. Let it come down, and then you grab it. So does it mean you don't do anything? Well, you could invest a little bit, but keep your powder dry because the market is going to drop. What can you do in the meantime? What do I have here for you? I mean, you could very well do the waiting game by buying dividend stocks. I've got a couple of names here. I've got BSM, 12%. I got PXD, 13%. I got ARLP, 14%. I got GGB 13%. I got CHK at 12%. Now, wow, great rates, but what's the catch? Well, the catch is these companies stocks have come down, so therefore the yield goes up. But I make sure that whatever company I pick, it's got great coverage on its interest expense. Therefore, they're able to keep paying their interest expense, which means they're keeping the banks at bay, and should there be some issues with their earnings, at least they have some leeway to meet up their leverage. So I wouldn't be too concerned about that. So you buy those dividend stocks, have a great time, work, you wait and make enough earnings to wait while it's happening. That's the wait game, right? You could buy REITs. Check my video on that. The third thing I would do in terms of the interest rate game, obviously, is make sure you don't get basted or basted or taken by higher rates by either buying a house or by buying a new car. As much as possible, you got to play the interest rate game by staying out of the interest rate game. Make it easy for yourself. Do you really need to borrow a car? Do you really need to buy a car right now? Then maybe you should buy a used car, right? Because rates are pretty high right now, even for the best credit. I mean, recently I had the experience, credit of 800 plus, it was still 6-7%. That's a lot, okay? So you want to wait. Save money, avoid borrowing, and take your time. Let it pass. So what do? We wait, and then we play the interest rate game. Still, you should be invested in the stock market, again through dividend. They will pay you. And as soon as the market drops, and it will, boom, you start going in. Be like Rocky. You go in, boom, 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 boom. As the market drops, you keep hitting. Obviously, when I say hit with the right company. Obviously, make sure you understand the business. Make sure there's not much leverage. I will send you links at some point on my Patreon channel where I could provide you with guided advice as to which company, and we could have a discussion, a more in-depth discussion. But in the meantime, play the waiting game.